kabayan, Judy Señores. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Nandito kami sa Birch Hill, pero kagagaling lang namin dun sa Waldon. Dinadala ko namin yung mga auntie nitong kaibigan ko na nasa home care. Kaya buti nga dito mga kabayan, may pinaglalagyan sila yung hindi na maalagaan yung mga magulang. Hindi naman hindi maalagaan kasi busy din sila sa pagtatrabaho, kaya nilalagay na lang nila sa home care na tinatawag dito sa Canada. Swerte din sila kasi mayroon silang pinaglalagyan. Malalaki po yung home care. Ang gaganda po. May sarili po nga siyang ref, gano'n. Marami magaganda. Nandito kami sa ibang home care naman. Bibisitahin namin yung isa niyang auntie kasi magkasama sila doon sa pinuntahan namin una, pero lumipat daw dito sa ibang home care. Nilipat daw ng anak niya dito. Dito kami sa kabilang home care naman. Tayo mga kabayan, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Judy Señores.
This is a hell of a spot to see here.
Dito naman nilipat yung auntie niya na isa. It's okay to camera here. Mas malaki, pare-pareho naman, lalaki din yung
There, we'll go in here and see.
You see the one. Ayun na po. Grabe. Ayun na. Tayo sa isang home care. Ewan ko lang kung pwede ang camera dito. Doon sa una namin pinuntahan hindi naman bawal. Ewan ko lang dito. Where our lamig. It's hot. Ito po yung medyo na maybe here coffee time.
How about that? Dogsbury, New York.
New York? Oh my God. Did you have? Ay, may TV siya dyan.
You can walk wherever you want. Look at the doorways. Who are you looking for?
Yeah.
I think she's down here. I think so.
Okay, thank you.
Dito Ask to go to reception. Malaki ito, mas malaki ito kaysa dun sa kabila. Hello. YouTube.
Hello.
You daw may sakit siya. I don't know. You cannot ask. Ang daming kwarto. Is here?
Hello.
Is here?
How are you? Now you've been feeling.
Hi.
Morning. He told us we should put a mask on.
Hi, how are you?
That's Judy. That's my girlfriend. She might have came up here to see Leroy too. I think he's in here, isn't he? Leroy Evans.
I don't know. I don't really know him.
Yeah. So it's
But this where are you going?
out.
This you come here.
Hmm?
Here. Ang daming pinto. Hindi na. You don't know?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. Daming kwarto dito.
I don't know my way around this one.
Yeah. Oh.
One of the things I remember when I was a little kid,
Come.
Easy Rider magazine.
Ay, yung canteen nila. Bye-bye.
Oh, they're having garlic tonight.
Dala kami na. It's what time na?
Oh.
Bye-bye mga kabayan. Don't forget to subscribe sa channel Judy
Get rid
Señales.
of this thing. Can't
God
stand that.
bless you all. Sa Pilipinas, laban lang tayo sa mga sakuna na nangyayari sa atin dyan. Maraming salamat po. Alvin. Hi.
Oh, good for you. Thank you for doing that. How's she doing today?